Rangoligerelia mangana talibia between Onyonka na Matiang'i. Lakini statement nera Onyonka megetia gatebanga Sifuna is God sent. He is going for the presidency without him making a decision, but by the call of the people. Kerengoligerelia statement yeyo. Nabo okomanyanga ebirengel byo Onyonka ebikoru byae bira aligned to Sifuna side. Abo kusiba mindo tetukubuli swarika ningi kika saineke ase video nibata maswali 1 2 3 4 tetukubule bagusi na se comment section kuba sabo swanja kwenu dijira nyekoreneli ngeraneli. Number 1, Matiang'i taliko attract leaders bagusi go cha sale gose leaders bagusi para selfish. Kaya tukulike muntu mno Onyonka Anthony Kibagende anabo abantu babo atete Matiang'i from the beginning, from the word go. Kaya baro chinga Matiang'i nabate wave no balinge mbaro tangenera. Onyonka na ero swete as social media akamago swate mainstream media unaona series and many other stations agatebya abantu nga Matiang'i tu abaletire Matiang'i mwarangirite akaoni Matiang'i bina akorega sikucha kucha but boni geje yikire at the prime time wana le Matiang'i agotubieka. Is it selfishness? Kusema Matiang'i obwate njira ko lebi ndabyo ngozi bindi bigosinyo kolega snare. As a comment section nyane liswali lyo so wacha kwenu. Yako garanto kumanya why leaders bara ina Matiang'i strong ni batoretere Matiang'i arafa mutige. Suddenly ndo explain team ya Matiang'i tili kukwana, team ya yagenda tili kukwana. Chise kibono tutuka turochi iska. Abantu wendo tena Matiang'i abali ba support Sifuna. Abanda bali ba support Ruto. What happened? This one yakabrenere. Uhuru narogo fund Sifuna nendo fund Matiang'i gose ago fund Sifuna otiga Matiang'i. Keroko lile mekutano ya Jubilee. Uri yene alina mwananchi. Na boko mayanga nilina mwananchi chipesi nyingi cha atumikiroro. Abantu bagocha na branding egokoro. Bona kinde tokereli bageli mbolika. Uhuru Kenyatta kungena Matiang'i ofande Sifuna gusa giviri hapo na Matiang'i aruchi Matiang'i tawanyara siasa. Akwa Sifuna chipesa otiga Matiang'i. Taute baneke mainega. Kia kogera kirokuli hivyo ngozi biwa company Sifuna aselinda mwananchi ibarote kenyingi. Na bonzi pichika alichapo chiri world field abande babate team of young men bakutana na barochi bloggers. So clearly we can be able to tell inge team yalina mwananchi nera well endowed financially. And one thing I chipa sababu changa choka chisana to run a presidential campaign of that kind yalinda mwananchi tatra isi. It's millions of money chiko to make. So na kingu wali swali Uhuru Kenyatta ngena Matiang'i gosene kimane ping baramu. Ekara togo te Matiang'i na ebiek toko mwachi pesa kwa magumuka kwa Sifuna because ntoroche semi kujana Matiang'i not much amount is spent as go mobilize no even planning. Number 3, Uhuru agivile hapo na Matiang'i ngatebanga yaya Matiang'i njangu muligire nchara kukwana nchara ko lebinto tarika. Is it the case? Ibe kireba o make decision ni familia yaya siasa talibo sani siasa ni strategy bono o Matiang'i takora kitako nyara. Could that be the case? Amiro debre yaya kosenche ndo chabo aya this one ndenede Matiang'i ne government yako join keko gara a possibility nero Matiang'i onye ka indicate ringa ngojunale government viongozi bitaba nyana bari goli yori yaya ntoko banduri elected ayena boko win a government appointment lakini nturende bana babo nyonga na bande bakerusi ino kunyalikana muna barangi na Matiang'i baka understand bakalege ndekurwali ntubono tole ska epepepe toka saini ntuma what is going on. Could it be that Matiang'i is heading to government? Haina maswali naliko gani hapa kusimu ringa kichino mungana nelia abali watu opinion tina make any decision on that. I'm just asking as your opinion yenu as a comment section. Monta ebina kimuroche amanganare Matiang'i mbiyale gustali bobe hali no Uhuru gustali no Uhuru. First of all ningo kole video ye tigamba informunga nimbate a furniture company ko Mokua furniture na umugera jinga kichino munga kresi mina mbanenira Because when I say video ngo play your furniture, you can be able to see the beds I do and the numbers attached. Ungakire simu ante Mokua ninga these market beds isano AM 3x5, 3x6, 4x6, 6x6 ngo irambuone. Alafu we deliver. Asi watu tena kibi koro siku tukubeka aga. Never Nairobi will make sure na kiroro ya very delivered in your house. Despite in the best kusiga. So irachinga kichino ngakire simu nyungu kantike tanda na vutoko koyen. Ayo kamesa. Nkoro sini chimesa. Tinda grow that big. But I've started with the things that I can do best. Chimesa nike tanda. Occasionally we can do seats. But I'm best on beds. Ni chimesa. Irachinga kichino. Subscribe ligega. Ngakire simu. Nseme mangana siya sabunari. Biamuno sana musaseniku.